Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to bookmark all tabs opened here in Google Chrome on a PC or laptop. So, for example, you have multiple tabs open, and for example, you are doing a research or like a deep research that requires multiple tabs and you wanted to save it for later. So what you're gonna do is on the upper right corner, click these three vertical dots and then hover over bookmarks and lists and click bookmark all tabs. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut key Control Shift D. Then once you put that, like it will automatically be saved in a folder. You can create a new folder if you like. For example, this is for test. And then you can also rearrange this one there on click save for now. And if we hover over a new folder and then tasks, as you can see, these are the tabs that we saved earlier or bookmark. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.